say goodbye. Together forever, the spirits fly.
Hey everybody, here we are in Consolacion. We're going to stop here and try some street food. Give you an idea. Got a beautiful sunset. Sun's going down. Hi Kaka.
Hello.
Hi Liam.
Hi.
And little JJ. And of course everybody knows the sweet Ann.
Sweet.
Hi.
I'm bitter.
Bitter? You're bitter?
I'm not better.
Yeah, that's a cool little trike. So this actually goes, if you can see these go for about a mile around the corner that way. We'll walk down there and get a view of the area and see what's going on. Ooh, we got halo right here. It doesn't matter to me if you want to cross or walk along the edge. Good afternoon. Ooh, look at that pretty.
Wait ha.
As a body na park in our bag.
Yeah.
You want to cross the day, but
Okay.
lot of
Come on. Everybody get over. What's the Han? What is this again? Which is that duck?
yeah,
Duck eggs. Little busies here. Yummy looking things. Hold on. Stay close to the edge, honey.
Ato sa edge, ato ko.
They got
Soroyan, sana to
they got
soroyan.
fried chicken. They got all kinds of. They got chairs over there.
Yeah.
Ooh, fried chicken. Some cool parking over here. A lot of motorbikes. Got you gonna get sig. Oh, look at all this. Some chicken feet. I've got to get some. What do you want to look at? You want to look at soup or
Ali sabi mo, look sa kuno ko bi.
anything here looks good? So yummy food. Which one you getting, Bug?
Sa pag yun. Sushi. This one?
You getting sushi, Bug?
Follow na mo mo. Kani? Kakatong na ibig ko. Ati yan. Sa laki rin. Para na ikabuhat. Oh, excuse.
Liam, which one do you like?
Ayaw lang wasabi.
You like the red one?
Ayaw. Do you wanna taste it? No. Ayaw kay halang. Yeah, halang no. Niyayay mong mouth no.
Kani?
Ayaw wasabi.
Wasabi na.
Oh. Mama ko rita pwede lang sa. Ana oh.
I know one like
Sige daddy, video daddy.
Hello, matagak. Oo, matagak.
You're close, Bug.
Yummy. Yummy.
Why don't you use your fingers, honey? What do you call that?
Konnichiwa.
Open the sauce.
Yummy!
Lami.
Is it yummy? Oh,
I
good.
make man that one.
Bestseller nila na.
Ah.
You don't like that, JJ?
He's waiting because they only give 2
Liam.
chopsticks.
Use your chopstick as a fork. Now, yeah, like, don't do it so hard.
This one.
Look, cucumber.
So what do you think?
Yummy, ma'am.
Is it yummy?
Tim Nori, oh, your favorite?
Try it, Bug. Tell me if it's yummy. It fell on? Oh, okay. Is it good?
This is one also he like.
Yummy? Very good. Here's here. A lot of vendors on this bridge. See this over here? See that right there? That's a fenced in area right there, and what they do is you have fishermen come out there and set nets and they fish. Then they clean everything up inside this little area here. But yeah, in the evening usually you can see fishermen, all you see is their heads bobbing above the water. We have the ocean over there and it's flowing really good. We got a bridge up here. So I don't know if I can't really focus in on the bridge of the water, but if you could see the water moving very, very fast right here. Tide's coming in or it's in. Where's your manners?
Thank you. Madam the Queen.
Find your shells?
Yeah. Where did you put my pasta there?
There.
I pulled down one.
Nowhere to be seen. Chopstick. Hot, hot,
Oh.
hot, hot, hot.
Oh, I'm stuffed. Ate too much. Ooh, that looks good. Chicken.
Yeah, I'm going to say every random person.
They even have places over here you can sit in the back there. Fried liver? Yeah. That's some halo. It's like ice cream with everything left over from the table. Well, they got a generator going, huh, Bug? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try something I've never had before. This is called a what? Scramble?
You buy me one?
No, look, it change.
I'll share it with you, okay?
You know why he don't like now? Because he's so...
That's okay.
Kain kayo, like corn.
I'm gonna try this. This has got all. Whoa. Woo. Wow. It's got a little bit of everything in there. It's almost like alo alo, but got different. It's really good.
Yeah.
It tastes good though, don't it? Okay, let me have a little bit and you can have it, okay?
Wait.
Okay. Okay, take your spoon. That's yummy. Keep your spoon with you. Okay, I'll just leave it there. That's good. What does it taste like? Does it taste like
This is like antibiotic.
Antibiotic.
No, it don't. It tastes like ice cream.
This is like antibiotic. That's a problem.
Okay. Far as you can see.
Kelly and Ann in paradise, living, loving under clear skies. Joyful moments never say goodbye. Together forever, the spirits fly.